Hi, my name is Juanjo and today I'm giving a review of my favorite book. First of all, I'd like to say that I haven't been a reader. Actually, at the beginning I thought it wasn't relevant, not important. However, it turned out to be an enjoyable activity, which not only do I have fun, but I also broadened my horizons. The Fourth Monkey. The Fourth Monkey. The title of the book is The Fourth Monkey. It's a novel crime story. It's about a police sleuth trying to find out who is behind a crime spree which has been going on in the city of Chicago for years. One morning, he is informed that it appears the murderer has been found, together with his diary. Although the person ends up not to be the murderer, the diary is indeed from him. Little did I know that the diary would even be more awesome than the real plot. The Fourth Monkey keeps you on the edge. It's a gripping book that will make you subsequently buy the next two books of the trilogy. It's divided in small chapters, so for an English student like me, it's really accessible. I never lost track of the plot, although there are several stories going on at the same time. If it hadn't been for small chapters, I would have given up. I wonder what would have happened if this hadn't been my first book. I might not be reading right now. Time flies with this book in your hands. Sometimes I regret having read it too fast. I highly recommend this book. Under no condition can I not recommend it. It's a must read.